Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. If you haven't been told that you are loved, you are liked, you are needed, you have purpose in your life, and you also have a purpose in my life, thank you so much to all my subscribers who are subscribed and all the new ones who are watching now. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now. I would love for you to join my fam. So in today's video, I am super excited to be sharing this unit from SamsBeauty. I think I've been eyeing this unit for a while now, and you know me, I'm not crazy about bangs, but lately I have been getting into bangs, and your girl want to see how this unit is going to be looking on her. So this is the unit right here, Instant Fab's 100% human hair wig, and it's in the style diamond, and I have it in the color natural. So this is one of those throw on and go units. So I've tried this brand before. I will leave a card above for you guys to check out that video. I'm loving the card. The girl is rocking that bang, girl. She's rocking that bang, and it's like a bob style. Oh my gosh, she's so lightweight. I love how lightweight she is, and this is what she's looking like in the inside. We have the one comb right here at the top where the bang is, and it looks like we also have, let's see, we also have a comb in the back and adjustable straps. So I'm going to go ahead and adjust my straps. I got a little bean head, so I got to make sure it's really tight. Yeah, I don't know what it's looking like right now, but we gonna get it together. Now we got her on. Let me just brush her out. I may need to get my hot comb and flatten her out up here. I'm liking the length of this bob. So nice. I love the length on it. Now, let's see what these bangs are really looking like. Okay, that's looking much better. But I'm gonna go in with my hot comb and kind of flatten it out some. So guys, this is what the unit's looking like after I went in and flattened out the bangs a little bit and bumped the ends. I'm liking it like this. I'm not loving it. It almost reminds me of Ike Turner. But I think I'm just going to try to style it up just a little bit. That's the one thing I love about these units. They have style versatility, so you can style it up, make it your own. So that's what I'm going to do, try to make this unit my own. So I kind of like tucked it behind my ear just a little bit and fluffed out the bangs. Oh, I'm kind of liking that a whole lot better. I do kind of feel like it's a little flat. Now I may go in and kind of like bump it out just a little bit more. So guys, this is what I came up with. This hair is super soft. I mean, so soft. I can't even keep my hands out of it. It feels like permed hair, like my permed hair, which is a plus. And I am feeling this look. Let me know by commenting down below how you feel about this style that I came up with. It's really giving me like that 90s mom style, girl, because I am somebody's mama. So guys, over the weeks, I know I may switch it up, change it up, do all types of things with this unit because it's so versatile. So make sure you guys are following me on my Instagram at Live Laugh Love J Marie. That way you can see the different styles I come up with. And this unit is $19.99 right now on the website, so make sure you check that description box down below, and don't forget to like this video as well, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.